Mr. Paul, how are you feeling today after the surgery?
A bit sore, but I'm managing Mihira.
That's good to hear. It's important to follow your doctor's instructions regarding pain management. Remember to take your medications as prescribed.
I will. Are there any restrictions I should follow?
Yes, it's important to avoid strenuous activities and heavy lifting for at least a few weeks. You should also avoid soaking the incision in water.
Okay, I'll be careful. When can I start doing some light exercises?
Your doctor will provide specific guidelines. Gradually increasing your activity level is important for healing and preventing complications.
I'm also worried about my wound. Mihira, how often should I change the dressing?
Follow the instructions provided by your doctor. Generally, you'll need to change the dressing daily or as needed. Look for any signs of infection, such as redness, swelling, or drainage. If you notice any concerning symptoms, contact your doctor immediately.
Mihira, taking gentle care of your hair is a wonderful way to nourish yourself and keep your locks feeling healthy and vibrant. It's often the small, consistent acts of kindness towards your hair that make the biggest difference. Think of your hair as delicate, needing a tender touch rather than harsh treatment. One of the kindest things you can do is to choose a mild shampoo. Harsh chemicals can strip your hair of its natural oils, leaving it dry and vulnerable. A gentle cleanser will clean effectively without causing unnecessary stress. Similarly, being mindful of your styling choices truly helps. Regularly wearing tight hairstyles, like very taut ponytails or braids, can put a lot of strain on your hair follicles and even lead to breakage over time. Opt for looser styles when possible, allowing your scalp to breathe and your hair to rest. Furthermore, try to limit your reliance on heat tools. While flat irons and curling wands can create beautiful looks, the intense heat can severely damage the hair shaft, making it brittle and prone to split ends. If you must use them, always remember to apply a good heat protectant beforehand. Mihira, overbrushing your hair, especially when wet, can also cause significant breakage. Your hair is weakest when it's wet, so treat it with extra care during these moments. Instead of rigorous brushing, consider allowing your hair to air dry whenever you can. This natural drying method significantly reduces exposure to heat and friction. When it comes to detangling, a wide-tooth comb is your best friend. Start combing gently from the ends and gradually work your way up to the roots, carefully teasing out knots rather than pulling through them. This thoughtful approach helps to minimize breakage and preserve the integrity of each strand. By adopting these gentle habits, you're not just caring for your hair. You're embracing a compassionate routine that supports its natural strength and beauty.